Hi, welcome to another lesson from Deptford Tutors. Today we're looking at how to express 0.27 recurring as a fraction in its simplest form. Now you should already know that 0.27, when it has these two dots on top of a number like this, it means that these digits are going to be continuing on and repeating themselves to infinity. Okay, so we should already know that. So let's get straight in. This part here, 0.272727 dot dot dot. Okay, I am going to call this x. We're going to use a bit of algebra to solve this problem. Okay, but once you understand the concept, it's really easy. Okay, the dot 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 means that it's going to go on forever, just so you know. And I'm going to call this equation 1. Okay, now let's analyze this very quickly. The whole point of what we're trying to do is to get rid of this 0.0, okay, 0.27. We want a whole number basically, okay, because it will make it easier to divide into a fraction. But if you notice here that we've got 27, then it repeats itself again. After this 7, it goes 27. What if you notice here, if I multiply this decimal by 100, okay, I'm going to get 27.2727 because this is where it begins to repeat itself again. Now if you recall, what you do to the right hand side of an algebraic equation, you must do to the left. So if I'm going to times this side by 100, I've got to times this side by 100 as well. Okay, so let's do that. So that's going to become 100x, and that's going to become 27.2727. Notice here now we've got 27.27 and 100x. And I'm going to call this equation 2. Okay, now we're going to do some basic subtraction now, right? Because what I'm trying to do is get this 27 on its own. All right, so I'm going to do equation 2 take away equation 1. Okay, so I'm going to write it up here. I'll do it in this color. Now, so let's get equation 2 here, which we know is 100x is equal to 27.2727. And I'm going to take the away from, I'm going to take equation 1, away from equation 2, which we know is just x is equal to 0.2727 recurring. Okay, so let's subtract these. 100x take away x is just 99x. Notice here and here, those will subtract to give you 0. So that's just going to become 27. Now, let's call this equation 3. Now, we've got 99x is equal to 27. We're going to divide both sides by 99. Okay? That's going to become x is equal to 27 over 99. Now, obviously, this is not expressed in its lowest terms. So, what number can go into 27 and 99? 9 can, because they're both multiples of 9. How many 9s are there in 27? We know there are 3. And how many 9s are there in 99? We know there are 11. And that is your final answer. Okay? If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, subscribe for more videos as well. Any questions, please leave them in the comments section as well. I do read the questions, I do read any comments as well, so feel free to ask. Thank you very much.